I've been stressed all day about today's video. Originally, I wanted to upload this one. Today's video is going to be all about my hair color, my texture, has it changed, is my hair damaged, all of the questions that you want answers to. But I still have to go through all of my hard drives to find the exact footage that I need, girl. And if you know me, I am a digital hoarder, so it's gonna take some time. So no, you're not going to find out if my hair is damaged today, but I am going to tell you what I did Tuesday night. So Tuesday, I went to the office. Yes, to work, physically. That's right, I had to wake up early, get dressed, drive in traffic, pay for parking, just to go into work. Something that I've been doing from home for the past year and a half. If I'm honest, this is why I'm really stressed. It's not even because I've been doing Vlogmas this month, which means we're posting every single day in December. And as much work as it is, I'm actually having a really fun time with it. But I did not expect to go into the office physically. Now this is messing up with my plans, you know? Vlogmas, I realized, was for me. I wanted to prove to myself that I can do this and that I can do it right. So I'm writing this entry to remind Jen to give Jen grace. I posted 13 videos over the past, 13 days. What I did not expect was to go into the office physically. This is messing up with my plans, you know? Anyways, going into work still makes me super anxious, and all of the conversation around this new variant, what's the name? Omicron?
The Omicron era is here.
That really sounds like something from outer space. At this point, I'm convinced no one really knows what the hell is happening, so they keep telling us these stories just to keep us entertained. What do? My skincare, of course, because no matter what happens, I will not be caught with dry skin. I've really been loving this cleanser actually, and at first, I felt like it was kind of gimmicky because it has this cooling sensation when you first put it on your skin, but it really grew on me. I really love the consistency. My new things are toners though. I layer 3 of them each night, and they all basically do the same thing. Hydration. Winter is harsh here. Actually, let me show you this video that I took the other day. What the hell? Needless to say, it's dry in the winter, and these toners bring me much needed hydration. Do I need 3 of them though? That's debatable, but I want to use them all. Then I just go in with a moisturizer, and this one has a really interesting consistency as well. It'll give you this nice glazed donut look, and I love it. And then I follow up with a lip balm. This one is thick and perfect for winter actually. Anyways, I'm going to relax now, watch an episode of 2 of Boruto, if you know, you know, and I will end this entry here. But don't worry, I'll write again soon.